All right, Jack. We are back here at the shop, and we have the new carburetor.
Yep.
And we are going to try to get this running and keep it running, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we cleaned the gas tank out. We got new fuel lines.
Yep.
We got the new carburetor.
Yep.
You greased up the chain for us.
Yep.
So that's turning good now.
Yep. That was all me.
That was all you. So we're going to put everything back on, put the new carburetor on, and see if we can't get this thing running. Now, the only problem is it still won't stop.
Yeah. The brake pedal works, but the brakes don't actually work.
Yeah, we got the pedal freed up, but I think the cylinder is toast. So we've got another one on order.
For Tuesday.
It'll be here Tuesday. So we're going to try to get the mini Jeep running. And
that's our Jeep back there.
Exactly. So, all right, let's see what we can do, all right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay.
So we're going to put the carburetor on first, then we'll run the fuel lines, then we'll put the gas tank back on.
Okay.
And then we'll make sure everything's hooked back up.
First, we have to put gas in the gas tank.
Well, that helps.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Because we don't want to use that anymore.
This way. All right, Jack. We got it all back together, pretty much.
Pretty much.
We need to put some gas in it, make sure we don't have any leaks.
Yeah.
And then we'll give it a pull and see if it'll start.
And if it does, great.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
Well, if it doesn't start.
Yeah. Now we gotta do some more work, don't we?
What would we do?
Oh, trying to figure out what we did wrong.
What did we do wrong? There goes gas.
See any leaks?
Let me look. No.
Leak here, down here, or over here.
I don't see a leak there.
I don't either.
I think we're good.
Good as far as leaks go.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I need you to cross both your fingers.
I'll also cross my legs and my toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of my limbs are crossed. Oh, yeah. It works. Come on. Oh, yeah. It works.
It's time for reinforcements.
All right, Jack, I need you to sit in the seat.
Gas? Okay.
I need some Mountain Dew. Just a second.
This will be fun. Oh my gosh. Okay. My foot's on the gas. So
Push it down a little bit. There you go. Push it all the way down.
all the way. It's all the way.
All
Oh!
the way down, so.
Yeah, it was all the way down. Are we gonna go again? It's all the way down.
Heck yeah.
Chain fell off.
Did it really? No, it didn't.
Oh. I heard the chain. I thought it fell off. Oh my gosh.
Yep, she runs.
Yeah?
Probably needs
Both hands on the wheel.